Welcome back to EVS class. Select Society's KKCBC School Chikkodi. Okay, so children, today's class we will do revision. Okay, so exams revision I am giving, so everyone has to practice this revision. Understood? Okay. See children, here practice. Circle the things that are made from fruits. From the fruits, which are the things made, no? That you have to circle. The first picture is a omelette. Omelette picture is there. Okay. Second picture is a coffee picture is there. And third picture, jam picture is there. And fourth picture is a milk picture is there. And fifth picture, jelly picture is there. And sixth picture is a juice picture is there. So in these pictures, which are the made from fruits things that you have to circle? Okay. Okay. Now tell me, which are the things made from fruits? Omelette made from fruits. ಹಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಂದ ಆಮ್ಲೆಟನ್ನು ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ? No. Is it? Yes. Okay. So these will not made from fruits. Okay. Next. Coffee. Coffee we made from fruits? Yes. Why? Because seeds, no? Fruit seeds, from the fruit seeds only we make the coffee, no? Yes. So these you have to circle. Coffee picture. Okay. Next, third picture. So jam. Jam we made from fruits. Yes. Jam we made from fruits. Is it? Okay. So circle this picture also. Okay, next picture is a milk picture is there. So milk we made from fruits? No. Milk we made from fruits? No. Yes, okay. Next picture, jelly. Jelly we made from fruits? Yes. Jelly we made from fruits. So circle the jelly picture. Okay. Next picture is a juice picture is there. Is it? Yes. So juice we made from fruits? Yes. Fruits. Juice also we made from the fruits. Is it? Okay. So these four pictures are made from fruits. Okay. So like this you have to circle it in your textbook. Okay, revision. So this is a revision, it will come in your exam. So you have to be practice. Okay. Okay. Next, see, take the vehicles. Take the vehicles that we seen on road. Take the vehicles that we seen on road. So which are the vehicles we will see on the road? Here you have to tick it here. Here see. So here the circles are there now. There you have to tick. Which are the vehicles? So here vehicles are there. Can you see? Yes. So these vehicles we will see on the road, that you have to circle. Which are the vehicles you will see, you know, only that pictures you have to tick. You have to do the right mark. Understood? Okay. So tell me, first picture. See this first picture. Helicopter. Helicopter. Okay. Next, air balloon. Next, bicycle. Next picture is motorbike, truck, car and sheep. Is it? Yes. So these 7 pictures are here. So in these pictures, which vehicles are we will see on the road, only that you have to tick here. Okay. Now tell me, helicopter we will see on the road? No, it will fly. It will fly in the up in the sky. No, in the sky it will fly. No. Yes. Air balloon we will see on the road? No, we will see on in the sky. Is it? So this is a air balloon. So which picture it is? Air balloon. Okay. So these two pictures we will see on the road? No. We will see in the sky. No. In the sky, these two pictures we will see. One is a helicopter. One is we will see air balloon in the sky. Okay. Next, see bicycle and motorbike. So these two pictures we will see on the road. Yes, we will see on the road. No, bicycle and motorbike. Yes, so here tick both the pictures. Okay, next, see truck and car. So these two pictures, vehicles we will see on the road. Yes, so here also you have to do tick. Okay, next, boat. Boat we will see on the road. No, we will see in the water. No. Yes, so this is a not come. Okay, only bicycle, motorbike, truck and car. These four pictures we will see on the road. Okay, so these also you have to do the practice. Okay, so these also it will come your exam. Understood? Okay, so next, see next here, see take the vehicles. Take the vehicles that run on water. Run on water. So which are the vehicles we will see on the water? No. So that pictures you have to tick here. Okay. So ship we will see on the water. Yes. So boat will run on the water. Okay. So helicopter we will run on water? No. Okay. So this picture, both picture, it will run on water. Yes. So this also we will see on the water. So here also tick. Okay. Next picture is a houseboat is there. Is it? So this we will see on water. It will run on water. Yes. So this also tick. Okay. So next, see, Fidal boat is there. So Fidal boat we will see on the water. It will run on water. Yes. So Fidal boat also run on water. So we will see in the water. Okay. School bus we will see on water. It will run? No. Okay. Helicopter and school bus will no, it will not run on waters. Okay. So only ship, boat, houseboat and Fidal boat will see these four. We will see on water. It will run on water. Okay. So these also you have to do it practice. So these also it will come in exam. Okay children. Okay, next. Color the things we use in summer season. Color the things we use in summer season. So here four pictures are there children. So in these four pictures, which pictures we will use in the summer season? So which things? Cap, juice and ice cream and shoes. So these four things, which are the things we will use in the summer season? No, in the hot season. So that you have to color here. So tell me which are the things we will use in the summer season? Cap, juice, ice cream, shoes. Yes, juice and ice cream we will use in summer season. So these two you have to color. Okay, these two you have to color it. Understood? Okay. So these two you have to color. Next, circle the things we see in rainy season. Circle the things we see in rainy season. So which are the things you will see in the rainy season? So that you have to circle here. Here 5 pictures are there. So which are the things we will see in the rainy? See, here the first boy is doing the made paper boat and is living in rain boat that in the water. Okay, and second picture, the two boys are playing in the rain. Okay, and in the rainy season we will see rainbow and umbrella. Is it? Yes. Okay, next picture is a, see, snowman is there. Is it? It will falling the ice. Is it? Snows. Okay, next picture, the two girls are playing in the sand. Okay, so now tell me, which are the things we see in the rainy season? Yes, the first picture, the playing boy made the playing in the water. Okay, he's made a paper boat. No, he's living in that rain water boat. Okay, second picture also is a rainy season. Why? Because the both boys are playing in the rain. No? Yes. Okay. And third picture also rainy season. Why? Because we will see in the rainy season rainbow and umbrella. No? Yes. Okay. So fourth picture is a rainy season pictures. No, it is a winter season. Okay. Okay. Next fifth picture, it is a rainy season picture. No, it is a summer season picture. Okay, so these three pictures are things we see in the rainy season. Okay, children. So these also you have to do practice. Understood? Okay. So next, tick the things we see in winter season. So here, children, you have to do tick winter season. So we circle the rainy season pictures. No, here you have to do only winter season. Okay. See, first picture is rain. Rain, you know, the girl is using a umbrella and rain is falling. Is it? Yes. Okay. So this picture is a rainy season picture. And these two boys are having ice cream. So in the winter season we will have the ice cream. No, it is the summer season. No? Yes. Okay. So next picture is the third picture. See, snowman is there. So it is a winter season picture. Yes, we will see in the winter season. No? Yes. So here you have to do the tick mark. So here you do tick mark. Okay. So next, see, so these also we will see in the winter season. So winter season will come in the Christmas. Is it? Yes. So these Christmas seasons, is it? We will feel cold, no? We will fire it. Okay, and we will take the hot. Is it? Yes. These picture also we will see in winter season. So here also you do tick mark. Okay. Next, can you see a snow? Can you see up on the house snow? Yes. So this also is a winter season. Okay. This also we will see winter season. So here also you have to do tick mark. So these three pictures are winter season pictures. So these things we see in winter season. So these also you have to practice it. Okay. Next, see. Color the fruits you eat in summer season. So here two fruits are there. One is a mango, one is a watermelon. So which fruit you will eat in the summer season? Okay, ಬೇಸಿಗೆ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫ್ರೂಟನ್ನು ತಿಂತಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕಲರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇವಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಲರ್ which you will eat in the summer season. Okay, mango or watermelon. Okay, so do this color. Okay, so what I had taught now in the today's class, this all it will come your exams, so you have to practice it. So these all you have in your awareness skill book, EVS no textbook. Okay, so these all activities you have in your EVS awareness skill book. Okay, so everyone has to practice this and do the homework and send to my WhatsApp number. Thank you. Have a good day.